Leetcode weekly context 487. Question number 1. Count monobit integers. This is an easy problem. We are looking for the number of monobits integers which gonna have some bits all the same. So which means there are only two options. One is all 0. 2 is all 1. If a number is all 0, then it is 0. That will be easy. And it is all 1, it will be some number like this. All we need to do is just go through this list to count and check if it is within this range or not. If it is, then yes, we add 1 to the final result with the number to count these numbers. Otherwise, we just continue. That's how we solve this problem.